In this video, we're going to be looking at evaluating a polynomial function. So directions, evaluate the function for the given value of x. Number one, I have f of x is equal to 2x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 7. And I want to evaluate this when x is equal to 3. So what that means is wherever I see an x, I'm going to instead substitute it with 3. So I have that f of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 to the fourth minus 8 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 7. Now you could type this whole thing into your calculator Desmos, or we can go ahead and use our order of operations to do this by hand. So remember, order of operations is PEMDAS, where the P is parentheses, E is exponent, MD is multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So looking here, the first thing, if I'm following order of operations, is I need to do those exponents first. And so I need to do 3 to the fourth power before I multiply 2 times 3. So I have 2 times 3 to the fourth power is 81, minus 8 times 3 to the second power, which is 9, plus 5 times 3, which is 15, minus 7. And then when I do 2 times 81, I get 162, minus 8 times 9, which is 72, plus 15, minus 7. And now I can go ahead and do those addition subtractions. So 162 minus 72, I get 90, plus 15, I get 105, and then minus 7, I get 98. So f of 3 is equal to 98. Okay, let's look at one more. Here, I want to evaluate when x is equal to negative 2. So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to instead replace it with negative 2. So I have 3 times negative 2 to the fifth power minus negative 2 to the fourth power minus 6 times negative 2 plus 10. Okay, now with negatives, when we're doing exponents, we need to be really careful. Here I have parentheses around my negative 2, so when you're putting this in your calculator, you have to have parentheses around that negative 2. Otherwise, you may get a wrong sign. Now when I do 3, and then I do negative 2 to the fifth power, that's negative 2 multiplied by itself 5 times, and I get negative 32. Minus negative 2 to the fourth power, that's going to give me a positive 16. So I'm going to have minus 16. Negative 6 times negative 2, I get 12. It's 10. Now 3 times negative 32, I get negative 96. Minus 16 plus 12 plus 10. Now, negative 96 minus 16, I get negative 112. Plus 12, I get negative 100. And then plus 10, I get negative 90.